After watching the live match between Alex Ayala and Amanda Anisimova, and then I posted my post-match analysis. When I got home yesterday after work, I once again watched the highlights of their match, and there was something that I realized. It was really impossible for Alex to win the match against Anisimova in the final set. She could have won the match in 2 straight sets. Noong second set, may mga chances talaga siya na ma-break si Amanda Anisimova, and Alex could have won the second set as well and won the match. However, when it went into the final set, and even when Alex went to a 2-0 lead, after that, it was all Anisimova. Grabe. Anisimova really played spectacular tennis. Yung kanyang forehand was really working well. We very well know na malakas talaga yung kanyang backhand, pero yung forehand niya was really spectacular, and that's what really made her win against Alex. Even when Sabalenka faced Amanda in that final set, she could have lost to Amanda as well, really. Even Rybakina, even Swiatek, napaka-spectacular ng ground strokes masyado ni Amanda Anisimova doon sa final set against Alex. So, anyone who could have faced Amanda Anisimova with her playing like that could have lost against her. So, kudos to Alex for still trying to really go toe-to-toe against Amanda Anisimova, who was playing excellent tennis doon sa third set. So, what is it for Alex to do to really become an elite player? So, meron na akong naisip at meron na akong mga pinupost, and that should be the slice game. Aside from the fact na si Alex, who is a slow server, should really practice her precision in doing the serves, kasi namabagal na nga, tapos nagdo-double fault pa, tapos hindi pa maganda yung mga placement, minsan napupunta sa forehand or backhand ni Anisimova nang hindi man lang gumagalaw si Anisimova. So ang bumabalik kay Alex are really powerful forehand and backhand shots coming from her opponent. Hindi dapat ganon. It should be either going to the body or out wide para may extra movement ang gagawin ng mga kalaban niya, gaya ni Amanda, forcing an error from them. So dapat yung mga placement ni Alex dapat niyang practicein, at saka accuracy. Avoid the double faults next time, please. And really try to develop and weaponize the slice. I will further come up with a new insight concerning on how she should develop the slice to finally win against these powerful hitters like Anisimova and all the other players who have beaten her. Yung may mga VA, sila Muchova, Krejcikova, Valentova, Noskova, tinatalo siya ng mga yan eh. And she should really develop something, a weapon to neutralize them. And for me, it should be the slice. Thank you guys for listening.